Hi guys, welcome back to News by Chef Chami. Happy holidays to everyone. Today I'm going to make Christmas cookie with hot chocolate. Let's dive in. Here's what we need for the cookie dough: brown sugar, vanilla essence, egg, baking powder, baking soda, salt, flour, butter room temperature. Take a mixing bowl and add the butter. Start beating it with an electric mixer until it is smooth and creamy. This step aerates the butter, creating a fluffy texture that gives the cookie their lightness. Next, add the brown sugar and mix again. Use a spatula to scrub down the sides and ensure everything is well combined. Beat the mixture again until it's smooth. Crack in the egg and mix. You will notice the mixture becomes silkier. This helps bind the dough. Add the vanilla essence for the sweet, aromatic touch and mix well. Gradually add the flour while mixing on low speed. Then sprinkle in the baking powder, baking soda and salt. Mix until everything is just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as it could make the cookie tough. Cover the dough with cling film and place it in chiller for 45 minutes to an hour. Chilling helps the butter firm up, making the dough easier to roll and enhancing the flavor. Take the chilled dough and roll it out with a rolling pin to your desired thickness. I'm rolling mine a bit thinner for crispier texture. Ensure the dough doesn't crack. Smooth any cracks gently with your fingers. Use your favorite cookie cutters to cut out shapes. Place them on a baking tray lined with a silicone mat, leaving space between each cookies. Preheat the oven 170 Celsius for 5 minutes. Bake the cookies at 170 Celsius for about 10 minutes. Once done, let the cookie cool in the tray for 2 to 3 minutes before transferring them to a separate plate. Let's make royal icing. For the royal icing, you will need icing sugar, egg white, vanilla essence. Take a clean dry bowl and beat the egg whites until they are foamy. This step incorporates air into the mixture, creating a stable base for the icing. Gradually add the icing sugar while continuously whisking. The icing will thicken and become glossy. Add the vanilla essence and mix gently with a spatula. Don't leave royal icing at room temperature for too long, it hardens quickly. Divide the icing into 5 balls and add your desired colors: white, green, red, blue, and yellow. Using a piping bag, outline the edges of the cookies with royal icing. Then fill the center and use a toothpick to spread it evenly. Get creative with your designs, it's Christmas. So have fun. Let the decorated cookie dry at room temperature until the icing hardens. Let's prepare the hot chocolate. Here's what you will need: dark chocolate, milk, orange skin, dry chili, cinnamon stick, cocoa powder, salt. In a pot, heat the milk over medium heat. Once you see bubbles forming, whisk in the cocoa powder to avoid lumps. Add the cinnamon stick, dry chili, orange peel and salt. Cook for about 1 minute to infuse the flavors. Add the dark chocolate and whisk until fully melted. Let the mixture come to a gentle boil, creating a slightly thick texture. This velvety consistency is what makes hot chocolate so comforting. Strain the hot chocolate to remove the chili, cinnamon and orange peel. Pour it into a cup and top it with whipped cream and marshmallows. I'm using a blowtorch to lightly toast the marshmallows, giving them a caramelized flavor. Finish with a sprinkle of cocoa powder for garnish. And there you have it, beautifully decorated Christmas cookies and a warm spiced hot chocolate. Perfect for sharing with your family and friends during the holidays. Thank you for watching in this batch of Chami. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time and happy holidays.